Hey guys, it's Charlie and Kolton here, and this is a little cover of Jealous by Nick Jonas.
I don't like the way he's looking at you. I'm starting to think you want him too. Am I crazy? Haven't lost ya? Even though I know you love me, can't help it.
I turn my chin music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm getting red in the face, yeah. They call me obsessed. It's not your fault that they over. I mean no disrespect. It's my right to be hellish. I still get jealous.
You're too sexy, beautiful,
and everybody wants to taste, and that's why
I still get jealous. You're too sexy, beautiful,
everybody wants to taste, and that's why I
still get jealous. I wish I didn't have to post it all. I wish you'd save a little bit just for me. Protective or possessive, yeah.
I turn my chin music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm getting red in the face. You can call me upset. It's not your fault that they offer. I mean no disrespect. It's my right to be hellish.
I still get jealous.